You are now watching Doorbell News.
A woman shared this doorbell camera footage after she noticed her boyfriend of several years has been letting several women in and out of her apartment while she's at work. She believes he's a serial cheater, so she put this footage out there. You be the judge.
That's a car. Say he's funny. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Looks like she's having a little Instagram photo shoot at her door.
Open the door.
And my raincoat is in the car. I was in my room. Who? No. 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 No.
Looks like he has a little mamacita to bring him some tortas.
Hello.
How are you?
How's your day? I would like to.
Do you have a drink?
Yeah, I got some water.
Wow. Okay. It doesn't have chicken. It's just got beans and it's like a vegetarian food. And go to sleep or whatever you gotta do. Bye. Alright.
That's it. Hope you got that one up there right.
Do you think these are just his friends, or maybe they're his family members? Or do you think he's a real sneak? Leave your feedback in the comments. A couple days after she put the footage out, someone was seen stopping by to break her camera. You think it was him?
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.